Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Toyota RAV4 hybrid battery. Your RAV4 hybrid is designed to keep its battery charged without any effort from you. It cleverly recharges itself through two primary methods: regenerative braking and the gasoline engine. This means you generally won't need to plug it in like an electric vehicle. Just drive normally, and the system handles everything, ensuring your battery always has power for optimal performance and fuel efficiency. One of the key ways your RAV4 hybrid charges is through regenerative braking. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or press the brake pedal, the electric motors act as generators. They capture the kinetic energy that would normally be lost as heat during conventional braking and convert it into electricity. This electricity is then sent directly to recharge your hybrid battery, making every stop and slowdown an opportunity to gain power. Beyond regenerative braking, your RAV4 hybrid's gasoline engine also plays a crucial role in keeping the battery charged. When the battery state of charge drops below a certain level, or during specific driving scenarios, the engine will run to generate electricity. This power is then used to either drive the wheels or recharge the hybrid battery, or both. The vehicle's sophisticated computer system constantly manages this process, ensuring seamless power delivery and efficient battery maintenance. To ensure your RAV4 hybrid battery remains in excellent condition, simply drive your vehicle regularly. Consistent use allows the hybrid system to efficiently manage and cycle the battery's charge. Try to avoid letting your vehicle sit unused for extended periods, as this can lead to a gradual discharge. Adhering to your Toyota's recommended maintenance schedule will also contribute significantly to the long-term health and performance of your hybrid battery system, keeping it ready for many miles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.